Hello, I'm David Brenner, and I'm going to talk today about bag-heading amaranths. Bag-heading amaranths with these paper bags are a way to get the amaranths to self-pollinate and not outcross so much. Without these bags, they would be outcrossing about 20 or 30%. So the bags allow a pretty genetically clean seed increase. We did a lot of these into the 1990s and then mostly backed off and went to greenhouse increases because the seeds are a little less moldy and a little more genetically clean. So I'm going to take the surrounding leaves away from the head, and this gives you a better surface to attach the bag underneath, and also reduces the moisture inside the bag. And the ideal size is about the size of a nickel. So I've got a pollinating apron here, with a set of supplies. And I'm folding the bottom up. The inflorescence will be growing pretty quickly. After a day or so, it'll be secure on there. And the thing to watch out for is beginners usually fold the bag like this, so all the way up the side, and they staple here. But that doesn't allow room for the inflorescence to enlarge inside the bag. It means you bust the bag pretty soon and have to redo it. So that's the main error to look out for. I have tried using bakery bags for this instead of these regular commercial pollination bags, and the bakery bags don't work at all because the seam gets unglued in the rain and they otherwise just dissolve. So it may look like a simple thing, but it's actually a pretty sophisticated commercial item that you buy through crop pollination supply places, and it allows enough light to go through that the plant stays healthy, and it also allows moisture to wick out so that it can dry out inside the plant. That's all I have. Thank you.